It's always a good day when one of these show up. It's for the truck. So we got a 110 GPH fuel pump. Mechanical for now. Should be enough. We'll be doing a Demon carburetor. I think it's the 680 is the one I'm going to actually run. I don't know. We'll try them out, but this is the... Get it out of the package and all that, but it works. And then one of the hardest decisions I had to make, I was stuck between three intakes. The Edelbrock air gap RPM, the what was the other one though? Holley or the Wayne air gap, or this one, which I don't think I can get out with one hand. So I ended up going with the Trick Flow. Started looking at them all. Edelbrock is nice. I don't really care for the vacuum placement, but between the Edelbrock and the Holley, there was, I believe, a little bit of a price tag with the names. Trick Flow, I think it was $40 cheaper, somewhere around there. But let me open this one up and we'll see. There's there. It's got the torque specs. That's cool. Most important. Yeah, buddy. Oh, even two of them. Nice. What? This has, if I remember right, I think it's the Holley. It's solid right here, and then the plenum and everything is gapped. But if I remember right, this is not. So I mean, it'll work. There's like a lot of casting issues. I've seen that with most of them. I don't know, quality's kind of not the same as it used to be, that's for sure. Kind of close, but there it is there. It's pretty high. This way, look at it. So I gotta get plugs and the rear plugs. There's one there, one there. I don't know, two different hold downs, yada yada. This one is like the Edelbrock. The vacuum port is real close. The only benefit I like the Holley, or the, I don't know why I say Holley, the Wayne Holley, same thing. It's set up for, this is kind of, to me, if you're just putting a carb straight on this is set up for an Edelbrock. Being that this is so close, if you had a Holley, you would have problems. So this, you know, for me, I'm running a spacer, so I'm gonna have to run a 90 on that. But what I like about the Wayne, it's set up for a Holley. Obviously, it's made by Holley. Its vacuum port's way back, so it's the one thing I do like. I noticed they all are machining this down. That's was just dyno tested and proven for performance. All about the same. So check the underside out. See the ports. Not too bad there. Some little crookedness, not too bad. A little bit uneven there, not too bad. I will be checking this for flatness too, so all in all, looks good. Can't complain. I'm not making a crazy build, but I will be powder coating this, so that's why I didn't get the polished finish and all that other stuff. So it's going to be interesting because I got to get powder coat down in there. It's going to be kind of tough down in there too. But for cooling and all that, I would say that should help. Just having air go around that. I like that whole concept. There it is. Oh, let me grab the other part that goes on there. So I was explaining about that vacuum port. I will be running a Holley Brawler. So I ordered this spacer. What do you know? Most people know. I should have a. I wonder if they make a YouTube model where it's designed to come out easily with one hand. A YouTube edition. I mean, for the love of God. There it is there. Goes on one way, and that's gonna fit for sure. That's gonna be my setup. So we got air gap there, and air gap there, and then we got that going down the pipe. Pretty cool. Next video of this will be it mounting, or probably powder coating then mounting. So there it is there. I'd show this. You don't see this that often.